I visit Maui 2 to 3 times a year. My sister lives there with her big family, and I'm so in love with them and with the island. And I only ever go when I find an affordable ticket, and I just feel extremely fortunate to be able to visit so often. I feel like when I tell people in my life that I'm going to Hawaii for a couple weeks, they might have some assumptions that I'm going to the beach and to waterfalls every day, that I'm enjoying pina coladas on the sand. But the truth is, my trips to Maui are just life. Ellen, my sister, she's my person. She's my best friend, and we wish we could do life together every day. So when I visit, that's just what we do. We cook, do laundry, play with the kids, collaborate on work. Since both Ellen and I work for ourselves, work doesn't stop on these trips. I always bring all my equipment, I film content, I answer emails, albeit a little bit more slowly than when I'm at home. I edit videos, and in fact, on this particular trip, I only left the house 4 times because there was so much to do at home.
Okay, let's go take it upstairs.
I think the best part about this particular trip was seeing all the cousins together. My kid surrounded by the beautiful chaos of Ellen's 4 kids, and watching my son get swept up in my sister's arms and smothered with kisses. I feel like one of the greatest pleasures as a mom is watching someone else love on your kid and just get how amazing they are.
Oh, you do so good putting your touches on. Now you can hit it. I think you.
You guys ready for the beach?
Everyone looks tired.
I know, everyone looks kind of exhausted.
We're like, yay!
Stones we carry, clothes we lived in, all the tales we will tell our children. Oh, we're taking the high road.
The baby is napping right now, and I have a lot of work to do. I feel like it might look like I can just kind of pop over to Hawaii to hang out and just chill and have a vacation, but it's never a vacation here. It's always just like living life together and helping out with all the kids, and it's a lot of kids over there in that main house. Yeah, and then now I have one of my own that I'm taking care of, and it is definitely a lot. And while maintaining my business and editing videos and all the things, so I need to take advantage of Cosmo's nap time right now to edit a video that I filmed last week. And yeah, that is what I'm doing. I also have a giant salad. Ellen and I did a meal prep, sort of like healthy meals video the other day for her channel, and I just used one of the salads that we made and had a quick and easy lunch that I'm gonna enjoy right now while I edit.
Here, I'll do this. You go get the high chair.
Dad, can I get my jacket too?
Here, Kofi, you want to try it?
Is that the moon? No, you can do the moon.
You see the moon? There it is! What is that?
Do you forget where you came from? Do you forget the life you came from? I can see your face in the movies. To my disgrace, it's like you never knew me. Thought I moved on, thought I was happy, until your song came on